Good afternoon, students. In the last video we done structure determination of D plus glucose. In this video we are going to discuss structure determination of D minus fructose. Structure determination of D minus fructose. Structure determination of D minus fructose. D minus fructose is keto sugar. Keto sugar. From polarimeter experiment, we get fructose is a levorotatory. That's why fructose is said to be levo sugar. Levorotatory means fructose plane polarized light turns into left side. So that's why D minus indicating levorotatory, minus sugar, nothing but levo sugar. This is coming from polarimeter experiment. Next, the mass spectral evidence gives fructose molecular formula C6H12O6. Mass spectral evidence gives fructose molecular formula is C6H12O6. Next, let us see presence of 5 OH groups. Presence of 5 OH groups. The reaction is similar to glucose structure determination. Like first, let's take fructose formula structure CH2OH. C double bond O, then remaining 4 asymmetric centers CH2OH, H, OH, opposite groups H, OH and OH. This is D minus fructose. Due to having 5 OH groups, D minus fructose when treated with 5 moles of acetic anhydride. 5 moles of acetic anhydride looks like CH3, C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. This is 5 moles of acetic anhydride. Then elimination of 5 moles of acetic acid, CH3, COOH. Then formation of pentacetyl fructose. Pentacetyl fructose takes place like the OH group is substituted with acyl group. Simply hydrogen is replaced with acyl part. Acyl part means C double bond O CH3. All OH group hydrogens like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Result CH2O C double bond O CH3. This is the first acyl, and the second one looks like CH2O C double bond O CH3. Next, O C double bond O CH3. Next carbon atom, O C double bond O CH3. And next carbon atom, O C double bond O CH3. Totally 5 acetyl groups substituted in the place of hydrogen. Result, the compound is said to be pentacetyl fructose. The formation of pentacetyl fructose gives rise to the information about the parent nothing but D minus fructose have 5 OH groups. Due to having 5 OH group, D minus fructose treated with 5 moles of acetic anhydride, result pentacetyl fructose. If glucose have 4 OH groups, we get tetraacetyl fructose. Fructose have 4 OH groups, we get tetraacetyl or tetraacyl fructose. Suppose fructose have 6 OH groups, we get hexaacetyl fructose. But the original experiment, our experiment gives rise to pentacetyl fructose. This is indicating clearly that D minus fructose have 5 OH groups. Next, let us see arrangement of 5 OH groups. Arrangement of 5 OH groups. Arrangement of 5 OH groups. We already know fructose is a stable compound. Fructose is a stable compound. Due to having a stability, fructose OH groups present on 5 individual carbon atoms. Suppose a single carbon atom have a more than one OH group, that single carbon highly unstable, that quickly lost water molecule. But fructose is a stable compound. Due to having the stability of fructose, the 5 OH groups present on 5 carbon atoms, 5 different carbon atoms, like first carbon atom having OH, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, like. There is no carbon have more than one OH group in fructose because of fructose is stable. Next, let us see functional group determination. Functional group determination in D minus fructose. Functional group determination in D minus fructose. Identification of functional group. Identification of functional group in D minus fructose. D minus fructose Fischer projection is CH2OH first carbon atom, second carbon atom C double bond O. From third to sixth looks like a CH2OH, 3 asymmetric centers H, H, OH, H, OH and OH. This is the D minus fructose. D minus fructose when treated with 3 reagents, like first it is treated with 2,4-DNP, and next it is treated with hydrogen cyanide, and finally when it is treated with hydroxylamine. First 2,4-DNP reagent. 2,4-DNP is a 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. So this is a phenyl ring. Phenyl ring have 2 positions, fourth position and the second position NO2 groups. 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine is yellow colored clear solution. When D minus fructose treated with the 2,4-DNP result, orange PPT takes place. Orange color PPT. Simply the C double bond O, the oxygen bind with 2 hydrogens, result elimination of water. Elimination of water is takes place, then formation of orange color PPT. That orange color PPT have a structure is looks like a CH2OH, then C double bond and single bond NH, and remaining benzene ring with 2 NO2 groups. This is a 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine product, hydrazone product. Then remaining CH2OH and 3 asymmetric centers H, H, OH, H, OH and OH. This is orange PPT. Orange PPT. The formation of orange PPT clearly indicated that D minus fructose have C double bond O functional group. C double bond O functional group nothing but carbonyl functional group. Next, D minus fructose when treated with a HCN, hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide when ionized, H plus and Cn minus is takes place. H plus and Cn minus. So due to having a more electronegativity of oxygen, oxygen gained by one bond pair was completely result. Polarization is takes place in between carbon and oxygen. Oxygen gets a negative charge, carbon gets a positive. Oxygen gets a negative, carbon gets a positive. The positive charge carbon bind with a Cn minus, negative charge of oxygen bind with H plus. Result cyanohydrinase takes place. CH2OH, COH and Cn, and remaining CH2OH, 3 asymmetric centers H, H, OH, H, OH and OH. This is cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. The cyanohydrin formation also indicating that D minus fructose have a C double bond of functional group nothing but carbonyl functional group. Finally, when it is treated with hydroxylamine formula NH2OH. Simply oxygen and two hydrogen elements in the form of H2O, then formation of oxime like CH2OH, and this carbon atom C double bond NOH, and nitrogen have a pair of electron. Oxime is takes place. Oxime formation also clearly indicated that D minus fructose have carbonyl functional group. This is oxime. First orange color PPT with a reaction of 2,4-DNP, cyanohydrine with a reaction of hydrogen cyanide, oxime with reaction of hydroxylamine. These three reactions clearly indicated that D minus fructose have carbonyl functional group. In the next video we will discuss the functional group determination. The functional group may aldehyde or ketone information.